Welcome, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S11, and in this video I will show you what to do if you forgot the lock screen password to your tablet. So if you forgot the lock screen password and there is no way that you can remember the previous one you used to access your device with, then the best option for you would be to contact Samsung customer support service, tell them about this issue, and if you can prove the ownership of your tablet to them, they will most likely be able to help you out with this problem. And the only thing that you're gonna have to do is go through a couple of troubleshooting steps, confirm your identity by showing the proof of the ownership of this tablet, for example by showing them a receipt from the store where you bought it, and after that you will be able to regain access to your account without removing any data from it. But if the data isn't a problem, you can still perform a factory reset operation on your device, and this way you will also regain access to your account, except for you'll have to set this device up again, and all the data from your tablet will be removed. But you can still do this by using any other device to access any web browser to search for the Find Hub service on it. Just look up Find Hub by Google. Once you find it, open it, then sign into the service using the Google account that is linked to this tablet. Then select devices and choose this tablet in your devices. Then select factory reset device and begin the factory reset process on this tablet. Once the factory reset operation is performed, you'll be able to set this device up once again. Now, the other way to perform a factory reset operation is locally, and to perform it locally you're gonna have to enter recovery mode and perform factory reset to recovery mode. If you don't know how to access recovery mode on this tablet, you're gonna have to check the video on our channel called How to Perform Factory Reset Operation to Recovery Mode on Galaxy Tab S11. So if you're interested, go ahead and check that video out. And for this one, I hope that it was helpful, and if it was, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.